Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine, the Bagotte Robot Vacuum and Mop with self-emptying capabilities. We found this impressive device online and have included a link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Bagotte Robot Vacuum? This innovative gadget is designed to make your life easier by combining 4 essential cleaning functions in one device: sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning. With its advanced technology and user-friendly features, it aims to keep your home spotless with minimal effort on your part. One standout feature of this robot vacuum is its self-emptying station, which allows for up to 90 days of hassle-free cleaning. Imagine not having to touch the dustbin for 3 whole months. The self-emptying mechanism automatically collects dirt and debris into a large, sealed dust bag. This means less mess for you and fewer interruptions to your cleaning schedule. When it comes to suction power, the Bagotte doesn't disappoint. With an impressive 6,000 pascal super suction capability, it can tackle everyday stains and easily remove pet hair, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. If you have pets or kids, you'll appreciate how effectively it handles the messes that come with them. Navigating your home with precision is another highlight, thanks to its 360 degrees LiDAR navigation system. This advanced technology allows the vacuum to accurately scan and map your living space, planning an efficient cleaning route. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that rely on random paths, this model offers a more systematic approach, ensuring that no corner is left untouched. So, who is the Bagotte Robot Vacuum suitable for? If you lead a busy life and want to spend less time cleaning, this is an ideal solution. It's perfect for pet owners, families with children, or anyone who simply wants a reliable cleaning assistant. And with features like Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control compatibility, you can easily manage your cleaning tasks from your smartphone or through voice commands with Alexa. In practical use, you can set the vacuum to clean while you're